So in this video, we will cover the delta time. So we have covered all these nodes. Now we are here on the delta time. So I'll drag it here. So what is delta time and how it different from the time? So if I show you the time, it is a value that increase over time. So if I show you in the debug, see this will just keep increasing the value like this. And in the debug, in the delta, it is increasing but very slow. But what is the main difference? If I found this post on the medium and it says delta time also referred to be to as elapsed time is usually a value that is calculated for us within modern game engines such as Unity and Unreal. Delta time describes the time difference between the previous frames. So it is the difference between the frames. Like this is the 3 frame animation, that arrow goes from here to here, and the gap between them is the delta. So how to use that and in which condition you can use that. So I'll show you. So let's say you have a texture coordinate, and I'll take a mask. So we have a gradient, okay, and I'll just add a time to this gradient and take a sign. So we have some strips that will keep moving like this. Okay, so if I just connect it here and save, and I have here already seen, but I'll take the new so you can understand better. And I'll take a planar, the shape, I take a planar, and I apply this material on this one. Okay, so we have this thing, and we have FPS here. Let me reset that. Let's say it's 120, playing smoothly. And if I, because this is very fast, if I make this slower, I multiply that time with 0.1, so it will be 0.1 slower. And I want to also visualize how much time this strip taking from this right edge to the left edge. So I'll take the debug and I'll preview that. And then let's say I multiply it with the red color so we can see it properly. And then I will add this on my strips. So basically I will have this time also previewing here so we can see. Let me save this. So now if I hit play, and you see this is taking uh, 10 seconds to reach here this edge on 60 fps, and if I decrease the time like t max 30 fps and hit save and actually play. So now on 30 fps it's still taking the 10 second. See this edge reaching here on the 10th second. Okay, so on the time doesn't matter what fps is, it will move on the same second, on the same speed. Okay, but if you want your things, your animation, your material behave on the fps, because your fps fluctuate in the game depending on what is previewing in the screen. So like you need to just multiply delta time here, and that is the use of this. Delta time is balance your animation with the fps. Okay, so if you just need to multiply it with your animation time, and that's it, you don't have to do anything. So like if I save now, and now this is 30 fps, and if I play, this edge will take time to reach here. Let me check how much time it will take. It will take 30 seconds around. So now 9 second, 10 second, 11, 12, 13. So in the mid it taking already 15 second, and the half way it will also take the 15 seconds, so it will be 30 seconds. Okay, so 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So it's taking the 30 second on 30 fps, and if I decrease it like t like 10 seconds. And now if I play, this edge will take 10 seconds to reach here. So depending on your FPS, this animation will change. Okay. So that is the use of delta time. Like if I play it on 60 FPS, now it will take 60 seconds from here. You can see it is very slow now. Until here in the half, it will take 30 seconds, and the other half it will take 30 seconds. So I'll just stop here. You will have idea that it's taking the 60 seconds. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So you can see in the halfway it's already taking the 30 seconds. So it will take 60 seconds more. Total 60 seconds. So depending on the FPS, your animation behaving, and this is just a panning strips. You can have anything that you are working on in the material. So you just need to multiply with delta time, and it will just do your job, do your work. So I hope now you understand how to use delta time and what it exactly does. So thanks for watching. Keep learning and bye.